Shatiba summoned her squad of fairy pals from every nook and cranny of the Baja Fairyland. Each fairy, claimed by their ancestors, brought their unique sprinkle of enchantment, showcasing the land's vibrant magic. The fairies stood around Shatiba quietly, awaiting to hear what Shatiba wanted to say. "My people, I fear that something is coming. Our brothers and sisters are in trouble. We need to gear up for what's coming," Shatiba warned, with mystical symbols dancing around, spinning a yarn of worry. Dia shouted, "I smell a magical adventure." Nala, who is one of Shatiba's best friends, started to laugh and playfully slapped Dia on her shoulder. Dia chuckled. "Guys, before we go on this journey, can we just eat some fish cakes before we go?" Nala said with a grin on her face. "I am starving," Nala added. Dia playfully shoved Nala. "Guys, stop with the jokes. We need to be ready. We leave in 10 minutes. Gather what is needed," Shatiba scolded Nala and Dia. As the daring fairies ventured the mystical realms, they stumbled upon enchanting creatures with peculiar traits. These magical beings kept a close eye on the fairies' every step. Unbeknownst to them, a sinister force lurked in the shadows, scheming its next wicked move. A mischievous Abika appeared. The Abika playfully flew around the fairies. Its wings tickled the skins of the fairies, which caused them to laugh. The fairies sensed the poor creature was lonely. With the help of the fairies' unique gifts, the fairy friends turned the encounter into a dance of magic. The Afrobeat melody brought life to the quiet forest. All of the creatures danced, and even the trees. The fairy friends stumbled across an ancient old tree. It glowed so beautifully. "Hello, chosen ones," the ancient tree excitedly said. "If you want to see your brothers and sisters again, you must pass the test," the ancient tree added. The speechless fairies looked at each other. Dia searched in both Nala and Dia's eyes for a solution. Shatiba stepped forward to the ancient tree without fear. "How do you know about our brothers and sisters?" Shatiba questioned. "Who are you?" Nala added.
"I am Baku, the tree of knowledge and also good and evil."
Dia cried. "Please help us. Tell us, where are they?"
Baku replied, "You must answer the riddle correctly, and I will guide you to where you must go to find your family. If you do not answer correctly, you will perish, and also your family." Baku tested their wisdom with a riddle. Together, the fairy friends unravelled the answer.
The Fairyland Friends. Secret of the Island Faes. Chapter 3 to be continued. Would you like to know what happens next in this whimsical story? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next magical realm.